I'm Dr. Rudresh Kurtikar, CMO Goa Medical College. Media briefing is for the recent incidents which have happened in the casualty, where the Honorable Health Minister has humiliated me in the casualty on 7th So our demand is that, because of that incident, is that we require public apology in the casualty itself. The Honorable Minister should come and apologize in the casualty. That is our demand.
So any deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately. Yeah.
What if he does not apologize?
So because we are supported by the GARD, that's GMC Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty doctors associations, as well as the doctors all over the India. So if it has not been accepted, then we may go for strike.
Can you narrate this incident?
Any discussion with the minister? We are discussing with him.
We already have a discussion with the team. We have given a memorandum in the morning session.
What exactly happened that day?
On that 7th, actually, as per the incident, it was nothing. Someone relative came asking to give an injection, or just a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injection, where sitting in emergency department, is not part of an emergency injection. Yeah, vitamin B12 injection is not an emergency injection. So we said we have to go to the OPDs, one nearby PSCs, because it is not an emergency injection.
This is the first incident happened in PNC. Earlier also something like that.
This was the first incident which I can recall.
But Dr. ते casualty allowed आहात
No, casualty our emergency department is of tertiary care hospital. Tertiary care hospital is the highest level of the healthcare system of Goa, where only serious critical patient has to be handled. Nowadays, anything means even minor cases are coming to the GMC emergency department. So it is a protocol that only the serious cases has to be seen. Giving injection is never, that is also vitamin B12 injection is never an emergency.
मिनिस्टरान काल इथून चॅनलाचेर सांगला अपॉलॉजी मागल्या सो ती तुमकां पावना.
I have seen the video, but it is a studio apology. So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happen. It is in front of the people.
And it should be recorded.
It could be recorded, and as the it went viral, my humiliation went viral. The same thing has to be also should be viral everywhere, because I was humiliated completely that day. So I want every people should know his apology.
What deadline you given by when administration apologized?
No, it could be within 24 hours. He has to apologize.
गोवा असोसिएशन ऑफ रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्सान अराउंड आमचे 250 ते 300 डॉक्टर प्लस फॅकल्टी डॉक्टर्स अराउंड 200 मोर. वी हॅव अ स्टुडंट स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ 180 पर बॅच.
How many batches?
609. We have 609 plus 180 per batch students, a batch of 150 interns. But हो जो प्रश्न तुम्ही सामको बरो विचारलो की कितले दोतोर आसात. सपोज एक दोतोर सुद्धा आशिल्लो न्ही, हांव रागिल्लो. आयज प्रत्येक दोतोर आसा, सपोज एकटो सुद्धा आशिल्लो न्ही ह्या सिच्युएशनान, तो रावता आशिल्लो. तुम्ही म्हजे जाग्यार आशिल्ले, तुम्ही रावता आशिल्ले. It is not, this is definitely not political, this is definitely not personal. फक्त एकूच प्रश्न की एक बेसिक डिग्निटी मेळूंक जाय प्रत्येक मनशाक, नॉट डॉक्टर. आय एम नॉट इवन सेईंग द वर्ड डॉक्टर इन दिस वे. प्रत्येक मनीस जो येता, जेजे कडेन कन्वर्सेशन जाता, एक बेसिक डिग्निटी मेळूंक जाय. आयज तुमी रावले सकाळच्यान, तुमकां खबर आसा प्रत्येक जे हो एजेंडा आसा वॉज अबाउट ब्लॉकिंग अ फॉल्स नेरेटिव्ह अँड टू ब्रिंग द रियल स्टोरी टू द मिडिया. हे सगळे जाणून फक्त तुमकां एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा की तुमी मिडियान आसूं किंवा न आसूं पूण घरान वचून आपल्या पेरेंट्साक आपल्या बायल्या भुरग्यांक आनी आपल्या फॅमिलीक सांगात की कितें जालें आनी आमच्या स्टेप्सांनी रावन एकूच विचारात स्वताक आरशा समोर रावन की जालें तें सारकें जालें वॉज द एपॉलॉजी द सेम एज द डिस्ग्रेस ऑर वॉज इट नॉट आनी सपोज ही आयज जावं ना जाल्यार फाल्यां तुमी सकाळीं जेन्ना उठतले आनी आरशान पळयतले तेन्ना वेदर यू वील बी एबल टू फेस युअर सेल्फ ऑर नॉट सद्या कशें आसा एपॉलॉजीचो जो अल्टिमेटम जो आसा आमचो तो गोवा असोसिएशन ऑफ रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्स विथ फॅकल्टी विथ कन्सल्टंट्स विथ स्टुडंट्स ही जी एंटायर जी बॉडी जी जमला एज GMC डॉक्टर्स वील टेक अ कॉल ऑन द अल्टिमेटम पूण जी सोपी गोष्ट जी एक सिंपल गोष्ट आसा सपोज म्हजे कडेन सपोज कितें चूक घडली जी हांवें येवन त्या मनशाक वचून एपॉलॉजायज करचें दीस इज द ओन्ली सिंपल डिमांड इट इज नथींग टू पॉलिटिसायज अशें कांय न्ही की कोणाचो म्हजो सपोज रिस्पेक्ट कितें कमी जाता किंवा आनी कोणाचो रिस्पेक्ट वाडटा इट इज जस्ट सो दॅट वी कॅन गो बॅक होम एंड वी कॅन फेस आवर फॅमिलीज and we can continue to do the same work with our fellow Goans and the rest of India.